Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you the location of the OBD-II port or the diagnostic port. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026, although I'm pretty sure the older generations will have it on the same spot. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now the OBD-II port is located under the steering wheel. Just here, this is it, this white port. And you will need the OBD-II scanner to connect to it and scan the modules and see if there are any trouble codes, and then follow up on those and then clear the codes from the system. But always make sure to fix the vehicle before clearing the codes, because clearing the codes does nothing, just erases them and they will probably come back soon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.